Hello, my students. I wish you all have a wonderful day. And as you know, today we are going to have a wonderful lesson about a grammatical lesson, yeah, about tenses. So, can anyone guess that which tense we will study today? Yes, exactly. Simple tenses. So, today we are going to learn about simple present tense, or it's a very common tense that everyone knows about it. And I wanted to remind you that in this tense, as I said yesterday, that next day we'll learn about simple present tenses, and also we will have some practice on some using some online tools like Padlets. Yeah, that I mentioned you. The tool that today will work on that. It is Padlet. It's a website. It's a tool that you can use, and I have taught you about how it works, the way of sharing your discussions. Yeah. So first of all, let's go on the lesson and know something about present simple tense. As I told you some key points about this tense. Today we are going to learn about 3 common uses of this tense. Are you ready? If you're ready, so let's go. In the first step, tell me what do you see in this vector? A deadline? Exactly. Very good. You see the time graph, yeah, the time graph, and it shows it has pointed in the 3 points: the past, present, and then the future. So today our focus is on present simple tense and its uses. Can you guess this image? What are these? What are they doing? For example, this one. Really? Get up, brilliant. She's getting up. How about this one? Yeah, going to work. And this one? Going on the bus, yeah, going to school, like this. All of these are, what we call them? We call them as a habit. So the first use of simple present tense is to show habitual actions. It means it's used to describe routines or habits. Routines are those works that we all do every day, yeah? Or some habits that we can't leave them every day, we do them. So here are some examples that it can make clear the topic for you. She drinks coffee every morning. It's a part of habit, yeah, every morning, and it shows the habit. They go to school by bus. They go to school by bus. It's a routine, yeah. They every day go to school by bus. Yeah. The next one. The next one, it's used for something that's clear, yeah. It's truth. For example, fire is hot. It's a type of fact. So the second use of simple present tense today is to use for things that are always true. For example, general truths or facts. Here is some examples. Water boils at 100 degrees. So it's a fact and it can't change, never. The sun rises in the east. It's a clear truth. It never rises on the west. It always rises in the east. And the third usage, it's used for permanent situations. It's used to describe something that they don't change often. He lives in New York and now he lives there. He always lived there and maybe until he did. Also, she works as a teacher. She's a teacher. She can't change his passion. It's a permanent situation. Yeah? These are the uses of simple present tense and the 3 main uses: habitual actions, facts or general truths, permanent situation. Ready? So, at the end, as I told you, we have a practice test and using of Padlets. So I'm sharing you a link and you should work on that link. Here is, so I told you, as I told you before, I'm going to share a link. Yeah, here is the link. Here is the link that you can go on padlet.com, Padlet link, to practice and share your discussions. You should press Control on your keyboards, and also you can click to go on the link. Yeah, exactly. If it wasn't, you weren't able to open this like this, you can copy the link and then you can paste it on the browser like this and then press enter. Yes, here is it. Here is the Padlet link that I have shared you. So in this link, we have three tasks that you should do. It's for all of my students. You can go on comments and add comments, habitual actions. You can give you can write two examples about habitual actions, something that you always do them, and two examples and maybe two examples about general facts, and two examples about permanent situations and states. As we discussed before about the situations, so you can go on the link and open them and then practice and share your ideas. At the end, I will check all of your ideas and we will discuss with your all of classmates. So today our lesson is finished, it's up, and on next day I will see you. Please be full of energy and proactive in my class. See you next day. Goodbye.